favorite finds of today. It's kind of hard to go through them all in my head. I found some cool brass pieces. So as promised, I shared with you I was going to release a little tiny video every day of what I found on the 100 Mile. And I probably won't share all of the items that I found, but I'll share some of them. So today I'm sharing some of my favorite brass pieces. We have this is actually a copper pan warmer. So it says Le Feu on it with like an enamel. Well, I don't know, it almost looks like enamel. And then you put a candle in there and then you put your pot on top. That's so adorable. So that is all this stuff, or most of it, except 2 pieces are listed on the website. Here's a copper bowl, just a beautiful display bowl. You can put your bananas in there, or on the website I have a picture of, I put fake cabbage and lettuce in there and made a vignette out of it. But this is copper, oh, what's the brand here? It's Copper Craft Guild. So it's a vintage piece and it has some nice patina in there. These pieces are definitely old. They have scratches and old, beautiful patina, but that's what we like. And this brass vase, super pretty. And one of my favorites is this brass bunny. I think this is a paperweight. Really adorable. I would probably keep this, but I do have some brass bunnies already. So, and then I found this beautiful brass swan with an elegant neckline. And this piece I'm keeping. It is 4 little bunnies under the umbrella, and I don't have this. I have an umbrella that's upside down that holds coins, that's brass, but I don't have this piece, and this piece just makes me happy, so I'm keeping this one. And it reminds me of the 100 Mile because it was raining half the time, so all 4 of us were under the umbrella. And then I have this beautiful copper planter, vintage Bristol brass, really pretty. You could actually put a real plant in there or a faux plant. And then Elise found this little copper cookie cutter in a free box for me. I thought that was cute. Probably would be cute just in your kitchen as on display as decor. And then I also found this brass sleigh, which I already have one of these, so this one is listed on the website as well. Just a pretty piece for at Christmas time. And I found this silver snowman, and he holds a small candle in that hole if you see it, and you can light the candle. It's a little vintage piece that you put your candle in there, and it's a candle holder. And then I found this. If you've been to our boutique before, you know that we often have drawings for prizes and items, so I thought this would be a cute place to put our little drawing cards in. And this actually, someone wrote cards on there, but that comes off. It's just liquid chalk. So that is my first little batch of fun finds.